We now begin Thevenin and Norton equivalence. The goal is to replace everything connected to two terminals A and B by a simpler circuit that behaves the same from the outside. If the equivalent is one voltage source in series with one resistance, we call it a Thevenin equivalent. If it is one current source in parallel with one resistance, we call it a Norton equivalent. In both cases, the load sees the same terminal voltage-current behavior. For circuits with only independent sources, the procedure is direct. First, remove the load. To find R Thevenin, turn off the independent sources. Ideal voltage sources become short circuits, and ideal current sources become open circuits. Then look into terminals A and B. Second, find V Thevenin as the open circuit voltage across A and B. Third, draw V Thevenin in series with R Thevenin. If a Norton form is needed, use I Norton equals V Thevenin divided by R Thevenin, with the same resistance in parallel. Example 1 has a 12-volt source, a 3-ohm resistor on the top branch, a 6-ohm resistor to the bottom node, a 1-amp current source pointing upward, and an 8-ohm resistor leading to terminal A. The load is removed from terminals A and B. For R Thevenin, turn off the sources. The 12-volt source becomes a short circuit, and the 1-amp source becomes an open circuit. Looking from A to B, the 8-ohm resistor is in series with 3 ohms in parallel with 6 ohms. So R Thevenin is 8 plus 2 equal to 10 ohms. Now find V Thevenin for example 1. With the load open, no current flows through the 8-ohm resistor, so terminal A has the same voltage as the top middle node. Call that voltage V Thevenin. KCL at that node gives V Thevenin minus 12 over 3 plus V Thevenin over 6, minus 1 amp, equal to 0. Multiplying by 6 gives 2 V Thevenin minus 24 plus V Thevenin minus 6 equals 0. Therefore, 3 V Thevenin equals 30, and V Thevenin is 10 volts. The Thevenin equivalent of example 1 is a 10-volt source in series with 10 ohms, seen at terminals A and B. The Norton equivalent is obtained by dividing V Thevenin by R Thevenin. 10 volts divided by 10 ohms gives 1 amp. So the Norton form is a 1-amp source in parallel with 10 ohms. These two forms are equivalent at the same terminals. The second source page uses the same idea to find the current through a 6-ohm load. After removing the load, the resistance seen from A and B is 4 ohms in series with 6 ohms parallel 12 ohms. The parallel part is 4 ohms, so R Thevenin is 8 ohms. For the open circuit voltage, use two-node equations. At the left top node, V over 6 plus V minus 12 over 12 plus V minus V Thevenin over 4 equals 0. At the right top node, V Thevenin minus V over 4 minus 3 equals 0. Solving gives V equals 16 volts and V Thevenin equals 28 volts. With the 6-ohm load reconnected, the current is 28 divided by 8 plus 6, equal to 2 amperes downward. The main habit is to treat the load terminals as the viewpoint. Remove the load. Find R Thevenin by turning off independent sources. Find V Thevenin as the open circuit terminal voltage, and then reconnect the load to the equivalent. For example 1, R Thevenin is 10 ohms and V Thevenin is 10 volts, so the Norton current is 1 amp. For the load current example, R Thevenin is 8 ohms, V Thevenin is 28 volts, and the load current is 2 amperes.